Guys, we're gonna rev the CLS 63 AMG. Quiet! Well, burnout!
He did it burnout, bro. He did it burnout.
Hey, come on, man. Let's hear some more.
Come on, man. He did it burnout.
Come on, man. Make it blow up. Come on, man. Do better. Weak. Hey. Oh my God. Don't stop. Camry. Metal, the JDMs. Oh yeah. 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 Hey, you're next. Let's go. Let's hear it, brother. Oh, you got it. Oh, this guy. Let's see, he's got a crowd. The Honda Civic's got a crowd. Hey, rub that bitch. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened?
He pulled the laptop out, bro.
Hey, rub that boy. In B-Tech we trust.
That's crazy. Yeah, oh yeah.
Hey, rub that bitch. Show the crowd what you got. Hey, rub that bitch. Do some more. Come on. Blow your motor. Please blow your motor. Hey, do it again. Come on. Pussy. Oh, man. He's still going at it, too. But we got a rev battle going on. That's what happens when you have Chinese names. Damn. I thought you were fucking flipping out like that. Damn, you can cut my throat with that too. Shit. You about to rev it? Hey, let's go. Come on.
Oh!
Guys, we got a whole crowd. Battle of the ship boxes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, do it again. Hey, make sure you got all that part.
Someone's gotta get this. No, this guy was.
Hey, peel out. Tell him to peel out. Somebody tell him to peel out. Hey, peel out. It's okay. Hey, do a burnout. Do a burnout. We got you covered.
Do it.
Burnout. Burnout. Yeah, please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Stop the car. Stop the car. Yeah. Oh, he's leaving. Yeah.
smoke though? What's next?
Yeah. He's scared. He's scared. Whoa, whoa, girl, you in the camera, girl. Chill.
Yeah, because I can so get the throws.
Just want to do it again. We got a big crowd here on the Honda Civic. Come on, Ellison. He's recalibrating. See, look, he's about to do it again. Look. He's about to do it. Yeah, look, he's recalibrating his turbo.
You act like I know this shit.
I'm telling you. I'm not expecting you to know.
Oh, here we go.
Hey, louder, louder. Hey, look, we got front row seats.
You're sending me these videos.
I'm sending you these videos? Yes, ma'am. This is going for YouTube, but I got you. The real question is, nice Apple Watch.
It's not Apple.
Nice Apple Watch.
It's Samsung. Or not Samsung, fuck. It's Garmin.
Chinese.
It's a running watch.
Chinese.
It's a running watch.
No idea. Oh god, a scary cat, guys. Scary cat, scary cat. Scary cat, scary cat, scary cat. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, scary cat. What's up, bro?
Whoa, bro, stop fighting me. Chill out, bro. What's up, man? You good?
What's up, bro? How are you? My boy, scary cat. Hey, you about to go? Alright, I'll see you there. Damn. Yeah. Listen to that idol. Listen to that idol.
Hey, can you help me take pictures of this picture?
Yeah! Yeah! More! Go burn out! Go burn out! Damn, that bitch is Damn, the cop just said the next car to rev really loud is gonna get towed on a flatbed. Yikes. Yikes. Sorry. Excuse me. I gotta go talk. Turbo Civic, guys. It's an SI. This is the car that was revving like crazy.
Guess who's standing right next to the cop?
Oh, what the heck? Excuse me.
Hey, send it.
What the heck? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Hey guys,
Bird now.
hey, can you rev it? Hey, rev it! Hey, rev it! Hey, rev it! Rev it! Hey, rev it! Wallah, you don't got balls to do it.
Don't be scared, bro.
Hey, yalla, come on, bro.
Yalla, habibi, let's go.
Yeah, for real. Hey, yalla! Hey, wallah, grow some balls, come on. Hey, rev it! Hey, rev it! Rev it! Oh, the cops. Cops are right there waiting for him to do one rev because he did rev earlier, so. Yalla! Hey, it's okay. Oh, the cops are going up to him, guys. The cops are telling him, oh, he's taking out his plate. He's taking down his plate. Yeah! Hey, do a burnout. Yeah!
We're about to open a fundraiser for these cops so we can get them a C6. Come on.
You heard what this guy said? We gotta follow him. Yeah! Camaro, what's going on with the Camaro? What's going on?
Hey, we're about to buy him a Camaro, you know, so we're just start liking this shit, you know.
Oh snap. Is the Camaro getting flicked? Say inshallah. Alright, let's find out what's about to happen. Oh, the police officer is going after the Camaro. What do you have to say for the Camaro? Camaro owner.
Rest in peace.
Allah yahamak, as they say in Arabic. Rest in peace.
He's about to get a reckless driving.
Yeah.
He's done.
Yeah. Oh, his lights are back on. Oh, I think there's a chase going on. Yeah, roll some coal, baby. He's about to roll some coal. Yeah, yeehaw, brother.
Hey, just act like the cop is not there to do a burnout.
Sir, can I hear the truck? Sir, can I hear the truck? Sir, can I hear the Mustang? Officer, get him. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Hey, you're on YouTube. Peel it out.
Hey, cop is not there. I don't see no cop.
I don't see a cop either. What's a police officer? I don't know what that is.
What's a police officer?
What's the police? Hey, send it out. Do it for your
Hey,
kid.
Mom, Grandma, come on, send it out.
Do it for the child support payments.
I believe in you, Grandma.
Hey, baby daddy's paying for that Tahoe. Hey, let's hear the bike. Damn, this girl has a fat ass. God damn. I said that on camera. Woohoo! Wait, guys. Wow. Hey, that's your people, man. That's your people. Peanut.
BMW or none.
Oh, you guys heard it. You guys heard it for the N54 father right here, guys.
Don't buy no Dodge. Don't buy no Dodge.
No Dodge?
No Dodge. You'll get
No
walked
Dodge?
with any car.
Hey, you're not wrong. Unless you got a Hellcat, shoot.
Red Eye, maybe?
Yeah. No, Hellcat too. What'd you say? He yelled it out the window. Alright, guys. Habibi, yalla. Oh, Drew, what's up, bro? You about to go to Shelby?
Yeah, in a minute.
Alright, bud. Yalla, I'll see you out there, right? Habibi. They're revving! What is illegal revving? Oh, we gotta see. What the heck is going on back there, man? Sir, can I hear to your car?
Hey, we gotta.
Yeah. Hey, can I hear it for YouTube? Can I hear it? Hey, can I hear your car for YouTube? A light rev, like a little tap. Not too loud. That's good. My man. Hey, for YouTube. Yeah. Oh, my bad, bro. Hey, come on. You're next. Let's go. Don't be a Trump. Come on, man. You got it. Hey, you're on YouTube. I have a famous YouTube channel. Yeah. Hey, Mustang, come on, man. Do something. Hey, you got a manual. Rev it out. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, launch control. Hey, BMW. Hey, you've been doing good all day, bro. Good shit. Hey, listen. Can you put the Nissan to shame real quick? My man, go ahead. Give it a rev. Let's hear it again. Oh, yeah. Hey, it's your people, man. It's your people. It's your people, man. Wasn't that Ryan? I thought it was Ryan, man. Guys, we get the modded Mustang.
Right here?
It's not Ryan. I don't know who that is.
It's too slow, man.
100%. It's a manual, of course.
But we just gonna walk him.
Whoa! Hey, can we hear that Mustang? Louder, bro. Come on. Yeah, dude. Hey. Huh? Sir, excuse me. Can I hear that Mustang again, please? Habibi, please. Listen to that roar. Hey, is this a Cobra? Yeah. Oh, man, Habibi, wallah, it sounds amazing. Oh my God. Hey, can I hear it again? Oh my God. Oh my God. That thing sounds amazing. That is probably one of the best sounding vehicles I have heard. Yup, we're live, guys. We have a fight going on. Yup, we're live. Yup. Hey, do it for YouTube. Come on. You on camera, son. Hey, I got an OnlyFans. Let's get it. Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra?
It's a Nissan.
Nissan? So wallah.
On YouTube, go!
Hey, let's do it. All right, guys. It is time for us to leave. I am most likely going home. The meet is over. The next time I'm gonna go out is probably on the weekend. Shoot, I don't know. We're about to see. Hey, let me hear that Mustang. Hey, let me hear it.